best TPMS replacement sensors ensure accurate tire pressure monitoring, enhancing safety, fuel efficiency, tire longevity, and preventing blowouts. My today's video is about top 5 best TPMS replacement sensors that are available in the market. If you want to know price and more information about the products that mentioned in this video, you may check the link in description box below. So now let's get started. Starting at Vexta's TPMS Relearn Tool. The Vexta's TPMS Reset Tool is a game changer for GM vehicle owners, offering seamless compatibility with most models from 2006 to 2023, including Chevy, Buick, GMC, Opel, and Cadillac. Designed for vehicles with 315/433 MHz sensors, this tool simplifies tire pressure sensor activation, making dealer trips or tire shop visits virtually unnecessary. Its operation is straightforward. Place the tool near the valve stem while the vehicle is in TPMS Learn mode, press the Learn button, and sensors activate in just 1 to 2 minutes. Built with a sensitive sensor chip and an immersion gold circuit board, it ensures precise, stable, and durable performance every time. Ideal for replacing sensors, clearing tire pressure alarms, or after tire changes, this tool guarantees accurate readings and helps maintain optimal tire pressure. By keeping your tires properly inflated, it not only maximizes safety but also enhances fuel efficiency and prolongs tire life. A reliable, efficient, and essential addition to any GM owner's toolkit. Now our second product is CDW TPS TPMS Sensor. The CDW TPS Tire Pressure Monitoring System, TPMS, is the perfect replacement for GM vehicles manufactured after 2006, including Chevrolet, GMC, Buick, and Cadillac models. Engineered for reliability, these sensors come brand new and are pre-programmed for your specific make, model, and year, eliminating the need for any additional programming. Activation is simple and quick using a standard scan tool, saving time and hassle. Built with high-quality components and manufactured using the same processes as original equipment, CDW TPS sensors ensure long-lasting durability, safety, and consistent performance. The batteries are designed to last up to 10 years under normal use and can withstand extreme temperatures up to 125 degrees Fahrenheit, making them resilient in all driving conditions. With these sensors, you can maintain optimal tire pressure, enhancing vehicle safety, improving fuel efficiency, and prolonging tire life. Reliable, efficient, and built to OE standards, the CDW's TPMS is an essential investment for any GM vehicle owner who values performance and peace of mind. Our third product is Time8TM7 Tire Pressure Monitoring System. The Time8TM7 TPMS is a comprehensive tire monitoring system designed for drivers seeking safety, convenience, and reliability. It offers real-time monitoring of tire pressure and temperature with impressive accuracy of plus or minus 1.5 psi and plus or minus 3 degrees Fahrenheit, displaying readings in psi, bar, degrees Celsius, or degrees Fahrenheit. Equipped with 6 alert modes, including high/low pressure, fast leakage, high temperature, sensor battery low, and signal loss, it ensures you are instantly notified of any tire issues, making it ideal for DIY enthusiasts and pre-owned vehicle owners. Installation is effortless, plugged directly into your vehicle's cigarette lighter, with no complex wiring required. The device doubles as a dual USB charging station, providing added convenience for smartphones and tablets. Its vibrant color LCD screen with adjustable backlight ensures clear readability under any lighting condition, while sensors detect pressures from 0 to 87 psi across various vehicles, including sedans, SUVs, trucks, RVs, and trailers. With robust signal transmission, easy setup, and professional after-sales support, the Time8TM7 enhances road safety, tire longevity, and peace of mind. Now number 4, Vexta's 2-in-1 TPMS Relearn Tool. The Vexta's TPMS Relearn Tool is an innovative, 2-in-1 solution designed for GM and Ford series vehicles, including Buick, Cadillac, Chevrolet, GMC, Lincoln, Mazda, F-150, F-250, Focus, Fusion, and more. Its intuitive G and F model switch button enhances usability, making sensor activation straightforward and convenient. Compatible with vehicles using original 315/433 MHz TPMS sensors, this tool is ideal for tire rotation, sensor replacement, tire pressure alarm light resets, and seasonal tire changes. It is not intended for heavy trucks with more than 4 tires or vehicles with external TPMS systems. The user-friendly design allows individual TPMS sensors to be activated in under a minute, saving $50 to $100 by avoiding dealer visits. Simply ensure a fresh 9V battery is installed for optimal signal strength. Built by experienced engineers and trusted by professional mechanics, the Vexta's TPMS tool guarantees reliability, accuracy, and durability. It's an essential, cost-effective solution for maintaining precise tire pressure and enhancing overall vehicle safety. And our last choice is ASIL TPMS Relearn Tool. The OECT5 TPMS Activation Reset Tool, EL50448, is an essential device for any vehicle owner looking to maintain optimal tire pressure system performance. Compact and ergonomic at 6.1 by 2.4 by 1.4 inches, it is comfortable to hold and powered by a 9V battery, functioning reliably in temperatures from -20 degrees Celsius to 80 degrees Celsius. This tool simplifies tire pressure sensor relearning, saving both time and money by reducing trips to auto shops. With a powerful activation reset function, it allows users to quickly reset sensors after tire replacement, rotation, or alarm light activation, ensuring the TPMS operates efficiently. Universal compatibility makes it suitable for most sedans, SUVs, and pickup trucks, though it is not designed for large trucks. Operation is straightforward. Place the tool firmly against the tire sidewall near the valve stem while in learning mode and press the Learn button. Constructed from durable ABS plastic, it resists dust and water while protecting internal components. Fast, accurate, and reliable, the OECT5 completes sensor activation in just 1 to 2 minutes. So what do you think about this video? If you think this video is really helpful to take your decision easier, kindly subscribe our channel and click the bell icon to notify our upcoming video. Thank you for watching this video.